Want to know how to manage your read receipts in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and on the bottom right side, you should be seeing menu right here. So just simply select menu, and once you have selected menu, on top you should be seeing settings. Simply select settings, and once you have also opened up settings, just simply scroll down. So once I've scrolled all the way down here, you should be seeing privacy and safety under preferences. That should be right below accessibility. So once you've set your privacy and safety, scroll down a little bit until you see viewed receipts. That should be right above active status. So just simply select viewed receipts right here. And now in order to manage it, you can just simply disable or enable this toggle right here. So you can also see its description accordingly. So you can change it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.